NC is a web platform and probably the only one which allows students to take college-level courses at their own pace. I noticed that my students had a hard time in some of my classes. There is so much new material covered in every lecture that they could not focus. They did not have a chance to digest every concept and practice every concept before getting to the new one. So I was looking for a platform which would allow me to work with the students at their own pace. And there was nothing like this, so that's why I decided to create one.
My name is Aurora Thoughts. I'm a mom of a 6-year-old. I work as a data quality analyst for a financial technology and gaming company. I found NC Lab when I realized that I needed to do some upskilling. So I started looking around, just researching, and ran across NC Lab, read the description of the program, and knew right away it'd be a perfect fit. I work as a data quality analyst, and NC Lab has really benefited me in that I had a background in database administration. I had a little bit of that background in business intelligence and in reporting, but as I finished up these analytics classes, it gave me some new understanding and some new knowledge regarding a whole different area of data that I hadn't worked in yet. And as a data quality analyst, I'm talking to people from all different realms of data, and now I can understand where they're coming from, and I can take those concerns that they have about data quality and I can translate it for the other people in the data areas. So it's helped me a lot with just being a good liaison between all these different areas of data. It's brought it all together for me. I'm a very hands-on learner, and I think a lot of people in the tech field are. So I think NC Lab is a program that's very oriented towards tech field and hands-on learners. If you're looking to just improve some skills, this is a great program for that. I am so happy that I made the choice to take the NC Lab program, and I'm actually looking at taking one of their other programs.